So once again, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So today's our topic is parts of speech. So words are divided into 8 different parts according to their work done in a sentence. So there are 8 parts of speech. First one is noun, then second is pronoun, then adjective, then verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and last but not the least, that is interjection. So we will go one by one and I will elaborate you each and everything. So look at here, parts of speech. First is noun, then pronoun, third is adjective, fourth is verb, fifth is adverb, sixth is preposition, seventh is conjunction, and last but not the least, eighth is interjection. So nouns. So what are nouns? Nouns are a naming word. First one is proper noun, which tells you about a name of a person, place or thing. Proper noun. Then common noun, like boy, girl, like this. Third one is collective noun. Fourth one is material noun. And fifth one is abstract noun. So there are 5 kinds of noun. So we will come to know different types right now here. Proper noun is like Mohan, name is there, Geeta, Jalandhar, name of city, place. Common nouns, we use boy, girl, book, etc. These are common nouns. Collective nouns, army, police, flock, etc. Material noun, that relates with matter, oil, gold, milk. Last but not the least, abstract noun. So abstract noun, that is sorrow, lie, goodness. What is abstract noun? That the nouns which we cannot touch, like intangible, we can only feel them. Tangible, which can be touched or seen, but intangible, which cannot be touched, only we can feel. If the person who has done honesty, we just feel that the person is honest. If the person is happy, we can just feel the happiness. So 5 types of nouns. I hope that it is clear to you. So next is pronoun. A pronoun is a word which we use in place of noun. There are 7 types. Just go through one by one. Personal pronoun, I, you, we, they. Demonstrative pronoun second is this, that, these, such, etc. Third is interrogative, question one, which, who, what, when. Fourth is reflexive pronoun, myself, yourself, themselves. Fifth is relative pronouns, that, which, when, who, etc. Sixth is indefinite pronouns, any, some, anyone. So where we use any or some, when we have to use these 2 words, we have to be very careful. Any is used in a negative sense. Any is used in a negative sense. I don't have any money. That is negative. I have some money. It means that in a positive sense, that I have. Last in the pronoun is possessive pronouns. Mine, our, his, theirs, hers. Okay, so these are the 7 pronouns. Then comes adjective. Adjective is used to tell a quality of a person or which qualify a noun or pronoun. There are 8 kinds of adjectives. We will go one by one. Adjective of quality, old, young, small boy, small girl. Adjectives of quantity, some, any, no, little, little like that, little, a little, the little. Little we use in a negative sense, a little in a positive sense, and the little, that is, it can be used in a positive sense or in a negative according to the sense of sentence. Okay, so we have to use like this. Then emphasizing adjective, my own house. So own is used as emphasizing. This very day. Possessive adjective, my books, our books, his books. Fifth is demonstrative adjective, this, that, these, those. Sixth is interrogative, which, when, where. Seventh is relative adjectives, whose, which, etc. And last but not the least, eighth is distributive adjectives, each, every, either. Each book costs 50 rupees. Either we use for a choice. Either you play with us or stay at home. Okay, neither we use in a negative manner. Neither I like tea nor coffee. So after nouns, pronouns, adjectives. Next is verb. So what is verb? So to tell this thing, I would like to tell you the verb is like denotes action. So verb, what is verb? That denotes action. After this, next is adverb. Now look at this word add plus verb, adverb. Adverb is a word which qualifies a verb. For example, she walks slowly. She is subject. Walks is verb. Slowly is adverb. She walks slowly. So adverb is a word which qualifies a verb. Verb is walks. Qualifies. Adverb is slowly. Clear? Next is preposition. We did it in our previous videos. Preposition, pre plus position. Preposition is a word which takes its position before a noun or a pronoun. In a very simple manner, I have taught you through my different videos, part 1 and part 2, it was already discussed. So next is conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a joining word. It can be called as, you can say that connectors also. Okay, conjunctions. So it is a joining word which joins. Last but not the least, that is interjection. When a sudden burst of feelings or outburst of feelings, we get it like hooray, that some you have get something in your life. Then if you are sad, alas. So these are the interjections which we use. So these are the 8 parts of speech which I have discussed with you. I am going to reiterate these 8 parts. First one is noun. Second is pronoun. Noun is a naming word. Pronoun. Pronoun which we use in place of noun. Then adjective which tells the quality of a person. Then verb which denotes an action or state of existence. Then next is after adjective, that is a verb. Then adverb. Adverb which adds something to the meaning of verb. Preposition. Then conjunction, a joining word. And last but not the least, that is interjection. I hope that these 8 parts of speech you have understood it, and I want that you should like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for listening me.